Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my Boxycharm Premium unboxing. The theme is Candy Shop. Let me start off with, this is what I picked. This is the COSSIS Tinted Face Oil. This is in the shade 01. No. I'm not going to use it yet. You can't see. I got the lightest shade, so. Sorry. And let's see. The COSSIS foundation retails for $42. Oh my goodness. It says, a clean, featherweight, light coverage foundation and hydrating skin elixir. With application that takes as little as 10 seconds, the breathable formula evens skin tone, minimizes pores, and erases imperfections while supporting skin health. Okay. Next, I have this Go-To Skincare Exfoliating Swipies. Oh, and I got version 1. Okay, never had that happen before. It says, the single-use exfoliating pad soaked in all-natural solution, get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator, that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes. And that retails for $35. Okay. I like stuff like this, so I'm happy about that. That's cool. Next I have so far I think me and Nona are twinsies except for the COSSIS. This is the Murad Hydrating Toner. That retails for $35. Okay. I'm not going to turn down Murad stuff because that's expensive. Then I have this Fenty Beauty Brow MVP in the shade light brown. That's going to go to my mom because I don't do my brows. The Fenty Beauty retails for $20. Okay, yeah, that's about the same as the cosmetics that she likes. Let's see. Next I have Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. Mine is in the shade Love Blush. Ooh, that's nice. It's pretty. That retails for $21. Really nice. I like that. I've never tried Laura Geller lipstick before. All I've ever tried is the Spackle Mist and the Spackle Primer. That's the only things I've tried from Laura Geller. No, I take that back. I've tried eyeshadow from her and blush before, but never lipstick. I don't remember. At least I don't remember anyway. So, that's cool. That's $21. I don't know if I said that or not, but I'll say it again. It's $21. And the last thing I got is Iluminati Cosmetics times Issa eyeshadow palette. I have no idea who she is. Isabel Bedoya? I don't know. Let me open it up. Hold on a second. So here's the inside. I know I have palettes that have these colors in it, so let's swatch them and see. Let's do 1996. Riri or Rai, I don't know. And Purple Dream, is that like a glitter? What are you? You're a shimmer. Okay. Really? Let's see. You can barely see Dreamer, but it's right there when you hit the light. They're pretty. But I have colors just like this, so I'll still keep it though. I mean, so that retails for, seriously, $48. No. No, that quality is not that nice for $48. Maybe no. No. Sorry, I didn't mean to laugh. I'm like, I don't know. Just some of these prices are just like way out left field somewhere, and it's like, no. For a person that is a makeup enthusiast and has tried a lot of different formulas and brands, that ain't $48 worth. No way. So, yeah, that's kind of funny to me. So I'm sorry. I apologize if I offended anyone, but that just kind of makes me chuckle a little bit. So anyway, that's what I got in my box. The only thing I'm passing on is the brow pencil, because I just don't do brows. So yeah, it was a pretty decent box. I'm happy with all the skincare. I'm happy with the COSSIS because I really want to try that out. And I'm happy with the lipstick. The palette, it's nice. I could have done without and gotten something else, but I'm happy I have it. So anyway, give us a thumbs up if you like unboxing videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. Pardon me. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.